day 107, unicycling from France to Estonia. For the last 2 days, I am riding through a massive storm. Tonight I expect temperature below zero, and my best plan so far is to find a camping spot and make a fire.
So, I am in Vandra and RMK cart is about 24 kilometers away, which means I really need to rush.
Using all the energy I could gather in my body and my mind, I keep pushing as strong as I could. Because if you believe in your dream, you can do anything! And this is when facing the greatest challenge, that miracle happened. As I was filming, Georg recognized me from my video. Georg kindly invited me to stay in his sauna house for the night. Exhausted and happy to avoid a freezing night outside, I accepted this invitation.